Mzansi, this story has now turned into a bigger conversation about toxic relationships and public accountability as actress Buhle Samuels, known for her role on Mubango, trends after reports that she filed a protection order against businessman Vuyisa Mqokiyana, who was previously married to Asavela Mqiti. Screenshots shared by blogger Musakaula allege that Buhle described the relationship as physically, emotionally, and economically abusive, including claims of intimidation and concerns about pregnancy being used as a form of control. While these remain allegations and the legal process is still unfolding, social media is deeply divided, with some calling for empathy and support and others questioning the timing and developments of the case, once again showing how quickly private matters can become public debates in the digital age. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please do consider commenting your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.